कोई ये नहीं बोलता कि आई मेकअप कैसा किया है, क्लोज योर आईज, सब ये बोलते हैं कि बेस कितना सुंदर दिख रहा है, राइट? सो योर बेस हैज टू लुक लाइक it's their own skin. It should feel like their second skin. There you go. And see, this will go upward motion. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ upward direction पे ही जाएगा. How to understand undertones? हम कोई भी skin tone, Indian skin tone makeup करते हैं, we bring it to neutral undertone. We don't do either too warm or too cool. I bring it to neutral undertone. That's how I practice, and the makeup looks natural. My tone is warm, but I've got it into a neutral undertone. Always and always, whenever you're doing anything related to eyes, always stretch this. मैंने बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट को देखे, वो ऐसे ही डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, तो उनकी जो रिंकल्स है या फाइन लाइन्स आप उसमें डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो, एंड यू आर नॉट यूटिलाइजिंग द आइज प्रॉपरली. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लिफ्ट इट. देयर यू गो. सी, आपको क्वांटिटी भी इतना ही लगाना है, ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा. देयर यू गो अगेन फ्रॉम द फ्रंट सेंटर. और देखो, मैं ऐसे नहीं लगा रही हूँ, आप जो भी आप डायरेक्शन में लगा रहे हो, यू हैव टू फॉलो वन डायरेक्शन. सो आई एम जस्ट लिफ्टिंग दिस एंड आई एम अप्लाइंग लाइक दिस. The shade is 23, guys, and this goes for most of the Indian skin tone. The next thing I'm using is Felic F07. Again, I have like 7-8 pieces of the same. I'm obsessed with this concealer brush. It's so good, right for your face, right for your lid, for any blending. This is very useful. So one thing which is very important for all of you who are beginner, fresher, brushes. अगर आपके पास आपका मेकअप कितना भी अच्छा, अगर आपके पास ठीक से ब्रशेस नहीं है, देन योर मेकअप विल नॉट कम आउट. सो इन अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट किट, अ ब्रशेस प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल. देयर यू गो. आई एम जस्ट गोना लिफ्ट दिस. आई एम गोना होल्ड द ब्रश फ्रॉम लाइक डिस्टेंस, नॉट लाइक पेन जैसे तभी पकड़ना है जब आपको कुछ प्रेशर देना है या आपको कुछ ड्रॉ करना है. आपको जब ब्लेंड करना होगा तब आप दूर से पकड़ना, बहुत लाइट प्रेशर. हमारा बॉडी वेट नहीं आना चाहिए उनके आइज पे, और उनको फील नहीं होना चाहिए कि makeup should be like a therapy, okay? That you guys should feel that your therapy is happening, and the client should also feel that her therapy is happening. So there you go. I'm going to lift this. 1. Always count in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And जब आप count कर रहे हो, आप drag भी कर रहे हो. See. And you have to go very slow. I've seen always why the concealer gets patchy, because आप बहुत ज़्यादा fast करते हो. मतलब you are not letting the concealer smoothen it out. So that's the reason it's very important. Stretch and blend. Again, I'm going to stretch. Start from the outward, it gets easy. Now to lock this, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury number 1 powder, and you have to set the entire lid. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury number 1 very softly. Now I'm going to draw a crease. ठीक है? I want to ensure that I'm creating. Open your eyes, Vipra, now. Thank you. Okay, going forward, her crease is here, right? This is her crease line. But मुझे थोड़ा सा lift करना है, तो मैं यहाँ पे बनाऊंगी. अभी कभी आप how to understand what kind of, whenever in doubt, take a soft brown for crease, and transition color always has to be matte. It can't be shimmery. Shimmery नहीं ले सकते आप. Okay, this is my Dior palette. It's called Ambient Neutral. So I'm mixing 2 colors. Always tap it. The brush number is E03. It's a brand called Felic brushes. Okay, look down please. So I am depositing here. Always and always pick up the product and ensure that आप हमेशा एंड पे सबसे ज़्यादा डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो. अगेन आई गो बैक. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज इसका फॉल आउट बहुत कम है. आई गो बैक और इसको आपको प्रोडक्ट को एंड पे लेना है, ऐसे नहीं कि पूरे ब्रश पे लेना है, ओनली ऑन द टिप ऑफ द ब्रश, बिकॉज आपको डिपॉजिट करना है, राइट? यू वांट प्रिटी मच प्रिसीशन. देयर वी गो. आई एम मिक्सिंग 2 एंड आई एम गोना again, I'm going to lift it and I'm just depositing on top of the crease. So I'm creating her fake crease. So the eyes look much more longer and elongated. I'm going back and I'm going to take more and more, and I'm creating a V again, and I'm intensifying this color. I'm using again Felic brush, number is 04. It's a fluffy brush, little bit, okay? So the palette name is the Nutcracker. If you see the colors, it's all under the warm undertone. So मैंने darker color यहाँ पे outer corner पे deposit कर दिया. अब मुझे एकदम light color लेना है. So I'm going to be depositing here, very softly, and I'm merging with this. So there you go. Again, I'll take the same soft color. I'll go back and I'll deposit here. I'm just blending the outer corner as well and just blending softly. See, आप जो भी करो ना, blending is very important and it has to look soft. It can't look very sharp and edgy. Again, I'm taking my crease brush, the same brush which I deposited here, and I'm picking up a powder. It's a brown color, a grayish. And I'm using my old brush only, इसमें already colors है. So I'm just going here and I'm taking a grayish soft gray powder. Can you hold this? And I'm building here, the outer edge. There you go. वापस से मैं ले रही हूँ only on the outer edge. इसका fallout बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो always tap in the product. Directly आप जाके place मत करो. Again, I'm going back and I'll just deposit this. Now I'll pick up my Charlotte Tilbury base color and in the shade Rose Gold. This is the Charlotte Tilbury pot. Okay, and I'm using my flat brush. You can pick up any flat brush of yours. And जो भी मेरा बचा हुआ area है ना, वो वहाँ पे मैं ये deposit करूँगी. See, this is how you'll deposit it. Very softly, very blendy. Now, rest I'm going to use my ring finger and I'm going to tap it. If you want more, you can go back like this and just deposit it. And I'm going to deposit here. Look at the intensity. Look at the way I'm depositing. I'm covering right from the entire lid to the center. Now, on top of this, I will be depositing a color, a pigmented good eyeshadow. So, what happened? Can you hold this? Flat brush. So right now, I have Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlight Palette. This has amazing golds and shimmers. The next palette I have is Terracotta Brick from Flower Nose. As you can see, if you want to try it out, कैसा लग रहा है हाथ में लगा लो, ठीक है? And then I'll stretch it and बहुत softly I'll deposit the color. The reason why I deposited, I mixed two colors because ये वाला color बहुत ज़्यादा golden था और ये वाला color बहुत brickish था. So that's the reason मैंने दोनों highlighter को mix किया और एक medium version color बनाया जो इसका दोनों का finishing दे रहा है. Again I'm depositing. The reason इसकी intensity इतनी अच्छी आ रही है because उसका base पे मैंने Charlotte Tilbury का base लगाया. There you go. So the next step which I will be using is Chambord brown pencil which has shimmer in it. So I'm just going to apply here very softly and मेरा concealer brush ready है, sorry crease brush ready. I'm just going to blend it with the brush. Shade is golden brown and I'm just going to blend here very softly. जहाँ पे मैंने वो brown लगाया है ना काजल पेंसिल उसके ऊपर very softly. देखो वो ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, वो जो लाइनर का लाइन है उसमें ही मैं ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. There you go. I'll take little bit more grayish and on the outer edge. Open. Now I want to इसको मुझे और ज़्यादा intensify करना है. ये मेरा open your eyes sweetheart. Just look down for me. यहाँ पे I'm depositing. I'm taking this color and I'm mixing with this soft. There you go. This I'm not going to blend. Can you see the intensification? दिख रहा है eyes थोड़ी बड़ी लग रही है आपको, बहुत soft. So whenever we say luxury, it's now not loud. It's strong, it's powerful, it's demure, and also at the same time it looks very very elegant. I'm gonna do very soft liner and always stretch it. आपका जो ये end है वहाँ से आपको बस एक stroke देना है. That's it. Very softly. Open. Down. And I'm just elongating this. I know liners can be tough, guys. It can look tough, but you have to keep on practicing it, and you guys will get it. It may feel tough for the first 20 times, but trust me, 21st time you'll get it. So I'm just building this a very nice open. And if you see the color, it's not too traditional. I didn't pick up black. I picked up a brown, that too, a brown which has a very soft shimmer particle in it. Again, I'm just going back. I'm just doing a sketch and just elongating and joining these two. Always, always and always stretch it. This is a very important part. So जितना भी मेरा skin prep था वो उतना absorb हो चुका है. अब मैं under eye patches हटा दूँगी. The job is done of the under eye patches. The two benefits are there. अगर आपके कुछ fall out है तो इसमें लग जाता है. So the best part is आप लगा के रखो because आपका base easy हो जाएगा करने में. And I'll just ensure I'm wiping everything out just in case if any fallout is there. Again, my next step is my OC Glow product. Look at my hand momentum. There you go. So I'm using my just the ring finger majorly when I'm blending this. On top of this, I'm gonna show the massage. How will we go about it? So first and foremost thing is you have to. So this is it's called lymphatic drainage massage as well. So इससे face बहुत sculpted दिखता है. And हम blood circulation अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Look at my hand momentum. Like just take your two fingers and just lift it. Jaw, see, look how my hand moves. You have to. And then this, just turn your face like that. This is very important. This holds a lot of emotions and a lot of stress. Again, brides are so busy. Their neck is always stiff. So you have to bring this down. And then you have to hold the thumb and I'm just pressing this. Again, this is for all skin type, my holy grail. I love it. I've tried so many moisturizers. I've tried Charlotte, but this is like a game changer. It just makes your skin so soft and dewy. Again, you will go in one direction only. There you go. On the other side, you have to hydrate the neck because neck base bhi karna hai aapko. So use the same moisturizer on the neck. Let it get absorbed by itself for like 30 seconds to a minute. I cannot emphasize how important its primers are. Again, I have tried so many primer. I've been using from 2018. I've not changed. It's called Visal Blur Primer. Look up. Okay. Now again, take a minute. Let the product get absorbed. The next step will be Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. I usually have two shades. Number 2 and number 4. 2 is fair. Number 4 is, it says medium moen, but I will use medium moen on her. Just on the cheekbones. Felic F08. This is the brush I'm using. Okay, and I'll just deposit it. Now, whatever I have deposited, I'm gonna lock it. This is a very, again, important step. If you want your makeup to last long and not crack, add a lot of hydration and lock your preparation. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury fixer. So you have to always keep a 1 arm distance and you're just hydrating it. Just locking the face. Now for under eye. So whenever there is a discoloration, if you feel the undertone is looking gray, so our under eye looks like a gray undertone, but it's actually blue undertone. That's the reason we use like a concealer red corrector. So here we go. I'm using my Huda Beauty peach corrector. My Huda Beauty peach corrector and बस बहुत हल्का सा. Just here. Just here, that's it. मैं फेलिक के ब्रश ले F07. I'm just gonna tap it. एक जगह पे 5 बार टैप करना है. So you have to count in your mind. I'm not gonna touch the under eye. I'm using my House Lab concealer number 32 again, medium golden. So number 32 I'm gonna apply here where I've placed the peach concealer. And number 23 I'm gonna apply on the center. So you have to always and always follow this step. Your under eyes will never feel creasy or cakey. One more rule which I want to say, before you tap your concealer, take a fixer. And if you want like कि बहुत ज़्यादा creasing हो रही है या बहुत ज़्यादा आपको लग रहा है कि under eye उनका बहुत dry है, so this is one of the hack I can tell you. Close your eyes अपना. Take the brush, okay, ताकि वो face पे भी जाए, brush पे भी जाए. Damp your brush. तो ये स्प्रे या उनके आई और भी सेकेंड लेयर चला गया और ब्रश भी डैम्प हो गया. इसको थोड़ा सूखने दो एंड देन आई स्टार्ट टैपिंग. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. तो आप यहाँ पे ज़्यादा केकी नहीं कर रहे हो. आई एम जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग द अंडर आई फर्स्ट एंड सी आई एम ब्लेंडिंग द आउटर कॉर्नर एंड आई एम टेकिंग इट डाउनवर्ड्स. नाउ आई टेक द सेम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जो मैंने लिड पे यूज़ किया था एंड आई एम गोना स्क्वीज इट. Okay, and I'm gonna tap this again. 5, count of 5, and you have to bring it downward. So my under eyes has been concealed. Okay, now the next formula which I'm gonna pick up is my House Lab, and I'm gonna put the YSL as well. Now for House Lab I'm using shade number 050 fair cool undertone, and I'm gonna mix YSL as well because this is very extremely light and hydrating. मुझे थोड़ा build up चाहिए because अभी मैं इनका मेकअप करूँगी, हेयर होगा, ज्वेलरी पहनेंगे, तो easily 7 to 8 hours the shoot होगा, so it will go time, right? So that's the reason you want your foundation to last very very long. The kind of weather we are in, हमारा 30% फाउंडेशन उठ जाता है and the skin absorbs it. That's the reason if you see makeup 2 घंटा तो लगता है ये setting होने में. So how do we start taking the proportion? There you go. Can you hold this? So I am using like 2 droplets. Okay, giving the YSL Bansuri. And YSL I'm taking MN5. Both are fairer undertone, but this is थोड़ा सा soft है, एकदम fair नहीं है. मैंने already House Lab जो 050 है वो मैंने 2 shades lighter लिया है, और ये जो है वो exact skin tone है विप्रा के. So there you go. मैं दिखाती हूँ कैसे. देखो आपको difference भी दिखेगा. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference, guys? This looks little darker and this looks lighter. ठीक है? Take your foundation brush. Foundation brush number is F06. I'm gonna prep the brush. Blend this. हाथ में ही blend करो. ठीक है? ब्रश जितना absorb कर सकता है करने दो, उतना आपका foundation easy हो जाएगा. ठीक है? अब let's check whether it's her undertone or no. Give me your beauty blender. I'm gonna tap it and see whether it's getting absorbed by her skin or no. I'm using brush number F11, okay? It's a foundation brush. So, आपने लगा लिया एक brush से, second brush आपको tap करना है. So you will go like this, very subtly. Take a fixer. Again, I know you guys will be like, Kajol uses so much of fixer, but yes, I do. If you want a glass glowing skin, again, I'll take hold my sponge. I'm damping it. Press it. Can you see the finishing, guys? It doesn't even look. Give me a smaller beauty blender, Bansuri, for the under eyes, for that precision. Now the next step I do is, I will contour her face. So I use multiple, give me Charlotte Tilbury contour also. So I have like 3 to 4 types of contour. The majority of the time I use either LA Girl or Charlotte. Right now even Rare Beauty has, even Fenty Beauty has Mocha, but I feel वो थोड़ा blend, Rare Beauty is amazing. Mocha, Fenty Beauty, I feel it's little hard to blend it. सबसे अफोर्डेबल और अच्छा ये है, मैं आपको इसी से सिखाऊंगी ताकि ये बहुत रीजनेबल और बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. इट्स फ्रॉम ब्रांड LA Girl. अब मैंने जो मेरा फाउंडेशन शेड है जो मैंने आपको बताया था, पता है 300 ml. यू कैन टेक एनी लिटिल डीपर अंडरटोन फाउंडेशन. इसको मैंने बहुत हल्के से इसको लाइट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ईजी हो जाए ब्लेंड करने के लिए. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी मिक्सिंग दिस एंड मैं इनके फेस पे बहुत सॉफ्टली अप्लाई. सो ईयर का जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वहीं पे लगाना है, बस इतना. दैट्स इट. Her face is like a baby face, so we can't add a lot of layers. Like बहुत sharp contour नहीं, बहुत soft contour. ये लगा दिया. एक साइड से मैंने लगाया, सेकेंड साइड फाउंडेशन ब्रश, just blend this. Look at that finishing. अभी तक मैंने highlight भी नहीं किया. Like under eyes I've not highlighted. I've left it. Can you see that shine? I'll deposit a little bit here as well. Very soft. Okay. Just blend it. I'm not deposited any powder. ईयर का जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वहाँ पे आपको डिपॉजिट करना है और दूसरी साइड से आप ब्लेंड करोगे. आई यूज़ द सेम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जो मैंने फाउंडेशन टैप करने के लिए यूज़ किया है. एंड आई जस्ट गो बैक एंड आई जस्ट ब्लेंड दिस. अगर शार्प एजेस है तो मैं बस लाइटर कर रही हूँ, जस्ट लाइट नहीं है. आई एम यूजिंग द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम फेलिक. Going forward, I'm using my YSL blusher, liquid blusher in the shade 68. And there you go. I'm just going to apply very softly 2 dots because I think the pigments are very, very strong. और मैं Dior का Glow Maximizer लगा रही हूँ in the shade Peach. Again, I'm just going to blend this together. Little bit on the nose, I love. ठीक है, अब ये लगा दिया. अब मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, कोई बात नहीं. टेक योर ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, द सेम फाउंडेशन ब्रश वाला जिसमें फाउंडेशन है. आई एम जस्ट टैपिंग इट. अगेन गो बैक. आई एम यूजिंग F10. आई एम टैपिंग इट वेरी सॉफ्टली. आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग ऑन द चीक्स. देन गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, नाउ आई विल ब्राइटन अप हर अंडर आइज. And I'm picking up my Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. Okay, it's in the pinker undertone. This only and only you have to use when you feel like you want to give her a Barbie look or a pinkish look. तभी आप ये अंडर आई पे लगाओगे और ये मैं नहीं लगा सकती. My skin will look grey. Okay, you have to only and only you can use it on lighter skin tone like Alia Bhatt, Kangana Ranaut, Vipra. You know, this doesn't go with many Indian warm undertones. Okay, so avoid this color. This can be only used for lighter skin tone. In the shade Cherry Blossom, to brighten. अब मैं मेरा next shade ले रही हूँ F10 from House Lab. This is the lightest shade of concealer. और एक concealer number मुझे बहुत पसंद है. It's from Dior. I'm using number 10. I'm gonna mix this with this. Only inside. ठीक है. And then on the outer. And now this area I'm going to be using Dior. I'm not using House Lab. I'm using 2.5N. This area just to sharpen it. That's it. 2.5N from Dior. Okay. I'm going to be using my again same brush F10. If you see in my vanity, I will, if the important brushes I keep like 6-7 extra because it's so useful. Under I'll touch last. First I'm blending this. I'm again using number 2.5N for Dior from Dior on the forehead and number 10. अब मैं दोनों को mix करूँगी. देखो हमारे अंडरटोन्स बहुत अलग अलग होते हैं, सब जगह सेम फाउंडेशन नहीं जाएगा. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आपको एज एन आर्टिस्ट आप बता सकते हो कि आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस यू नो वन कैन एक्सप्लेन टू यू. आई हैव मिक्स बोथ द लाइटर एंड ऑल्सो Dior. आई वॉन्ट अ लिटिल बिल्ड अप ऑन द forehead. It looks like a filter. Again go back, tap it and just lock the under eyes. I'm again going back and I'm going to set this on the under eye. So if you want a glass skin, you have to target very small and you have to deposit. It has a microfiber, right? So आप ऐसे नहीं कि मोटा वाला ब्रश लो और बहुत ज़्यादा लगाओ तो भी मेकअप कभी भी ग्लास स्किन नहीं होगा. Glass skin is you're locking one by one the base. Before going ahead, I'll pick up my blush. So I'll use my YSL blush in the shade Make Me Blush. It's a very shiny pinky formula. कभी भी अगर आप मैं ब्रश ले रही हूँ F01, कभी भी आप ब्लश लगा रहे हो ना तो आप दोनों साइड पे लगा लो. अगेन ऑलवेज वार्म इट अप, आपके हाथ में लगाओ. इसमें ना बहुत अच्छा सा शाइन है इसलिए मुझे ब्लश पसंद है. आई एम just softly. Can you see the shine? Again go back, it's very pigmented so just ensure that ज़्यादा नहीं लो बहुत कम लो. Now for nose, I'm using my Hoola. I'm not using my cream product. This is a square brush. Go back, tap. Always tap back. सारा product निकालो 50% और two straight line very softly. I don't want to be very sharp. जब एकदम sharp line नहीं करना है, बहुत softly you have to blend it. Step back, check. Can you see instant that definition? Now the next step will be before doing her lips, I'll do the brows and I'll do the under eyes. We are almost about to get done. Again, one of the holy grail product I use is Anastasia Brow Gel in the shade dark brown. Uh, yeah, dark brown, deep brow pomade. So always use your, take your spoolie. This is called spoolie. Two-side angular brush. Always lift it up first. इसको अच्छे से ग्रूम करो और कभी भी आपके ब्राउज से ना डार्क कलर से मत भरो. लाइक डोंट यूज़ ब्लैक और डार्क एक्सट्रीम डार्क ग्रे. ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज गो फॉर ब्राउन कलर्स. एंड आई लव दिस जेल, इट्स सो अमेजिंग. आई एम टेकिंग दिस ऑन द एंगुलर ब्रश. बहुत हल्के से लेना है ऐसे. सबसे पहले आपको टेल ड्रॉ करनी है. सो दिस इज़ द आर्च. मैं बिल्कुल भी आई एम द पर्सन हु डजंट एक्सटेंड. आई डोंट लाइक बहुत शार्प ब्राउज. आई लाइक वेरी सॉफ्ट. क्योंकि जितना आप सॉफ्ट रखोगे उतना द पर्सन विल लुक यंगर. सो देयर यू गो. आई एम जस्ट गोना स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टेल बहुत हल्के से. और जैसे जैसे आप अंदर आओगे ना वैसे वैसे आपका प्रोडक्ट कम होते जाएगा ब्रश में. तो अंदर यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं, उससे एकदम लाइट. सो डार्केस्ट यहाँ पे आएगा एंड देन गोइंग अहेड विद द सॉफ्ट एंड देन द सॉफ्टेस्ट वेरी लाइटली. I don't like to fill a lot heavy. It just makes me feel that oh my god. Again, यहाँ पे देखो इनकी arch. This has arch and this doesn't have arch. So in this case, you have to create an arch. How will I do it? I'll lift this. Wait, let me show it to you. Can you turn your face this way? I'll always and always go back and lift it. And this is how you will create an arch. Very softly. And after that, you have to lock your brows. So I'm using a brow mascara from NYX in the shade Espresso. It's a brown color. I'm just locking it. Almost, we are getting there. Before the lash eye deposit, I'm going to do the under eyes. I'm using my Giorgio Armani. It's a bronzer. It's a Giorgio Armani bronzer, a shimmer bronzer in the shade Luminous Silk. Here. And I'm giving that stroke outwards. I'll go back, I'll deposit it here as well. तो इससे दो चीज़ हो गया. अगर किसी के फाइन लाइंस है ना वो आप हाइड कर रहे हो बिकॉज आप पाउडर डिपॉजिट करके उसको लॉक कर रहे हो. सो इट वोंट बी दैट विजिबल. And now I'm picking up my flower nose palette. Can you see the finishing? It looks so international. Again, I'm going back. I'm picking up this two color. And there you go. और ये आपको इसको भी ब्लेंड करना है इसके साथ, जो आपने पहले लगाया था ना उसके नीचे भी आपको हल्का लेके जाना है. Abhi, here it's completely up to you. If you want to deposit a highlighter, you can. If you want to leave it like that, you can leave it. But actually, for me, I think here it's completely up to you. If you want to deposit a highlighter, you can. If you want to leave it like that, you can leave it. But actually, for me, I think we can deposit this white color. Let's see. Here. Just to give that. Yeah, it looks nice. So I'm using a color kajal. I've used again a lot of white kajal. I used to not like creating the look because I didn't found perfect white. This is from Dior in the shade Snow White. There you go. We are making it more softer. Lift this and on the lash bone. Very closer. There you go. I'm just placing it on the lash bone. Hold it for 10 seconds before you jump on anything. I'm just taking out and scrubbing her entire lips because बहुत टाइम ना बहुत सारे clients के lips chapped भी होते हैं. So you have to ensure that you're scrubbing it entirely. It's perfect. She's got beautiful lips. So I don't like to extend it. I just little bit just cupid bow. I like to shape it. She again has beautiful lips. So I don't have to overline anything. Smile. I'm picking up shade Wifey from Huda Beauty, and I'm picking up number 02 from Sephora. I always like to mix and match. And I'm just going to deposit on the center. Now in the center, I just want to add a soft pink. So I'll pick up from Dose of Colors in the shade Daisy, just on the center. Okay, now going forward, I'll just lash curl it and put a liner, mascara. So always curl up the lashes. Hold this for me. See. And always do this at least after 5 minutes. Let the entire lash get completely dried up, okay? नहीं तो फिर वो निकलने के chances है. Hold it. Fix it entirely. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Go?
Yes.
For the longest years, 8 years of my career, I used to not do this. Since the time I started doing it, it's amazing. Amazing. So it does give a lot of volume to the lash and it just makes a difference. You can actually see it before and after. It just lifted entirely. So you have to, if you want like a not, your eyelashes should not overpower, then please do this technique. It'll come with practice. Open. I'm using a brand from Stila, the mascara. You can use any mascara, but I really like this mascara because the finishing is really wow. Just on the brow and merge it together. I'm going ahead with my shade Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Dance Floor. Let's see. It's a little orangish nude. Now I'm just locking up my makeup. I'm not doing her neck base yet because once she wears the outfit, that's when I'm going to put the highlighter. Just lock the makeup. Smile. Look up. Yeah. So we're done.